Cleaning, especially when it comes to those hard-to-reach spaces, just got a whole lot easier with the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This review is your guide to the exceptional features that make this compact cleaning companion a game-changer. From its powerful suction and versatile attachments to its ergonomic design and transparent dirt bowl, every aspect is crafted to redefine your cleaning experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Compact design, powerful suction. Don't let the size fool you. The dustbuster AdvancedClean packs a punch. Thanks to its cyclonic action and lithium-ion battery, this handheld vacuum delivers strong suction to tackle hair, dirt, and debris on various surfaces. The compact design doesn't compromise on power. It enhances your cleaning efficiency, making it the perfect companion for quick cleanups. Rotating slim nozzle. Precision cleaning. Say goodbye to struggling with tight spaces. The rotating slim nozzle, capable of a 180 rotation, allows you to reach every nook and cranny at different angles. Whether it's between couch cushions, under furniture, or in high spaces, this feature provides unparalleled control over your vacuuming, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Versatile cleaning attachments. The dustbuster AdvancedClean comes equipped with a pull-out crevice tool and a flip-up brush, expanding its capabilities. The crevice tool reaches into the most challenging spots, while the brush adds an extra layer of versatility, making dusting and vacuuming upholstery a breeze. These attachments transform your handheld vacuum into a whole home cleaning solution. Translucent dirt bowl. Visual cleaning. No more guesswork about when to empty the dirt bowl. The translucent design allows you to see the dirt level, ensuring you know precisely when it's time for disposal. This user-friendly feature not only adds convenience, but also enhances the overall cleaning experience, providing a visual cue for optimal maintenance. Ergonomic design and cordless convenience. Designed with your comfort in mind, the dustbuster AdvancedClean features an ergonomic design and an onboard extension, minimizing the need to bend over during use. Its cordless nature, powered by a lithium-ion battery, offers the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet. Ideal for larger jobs requiring quick cleanups, this vacuum adapts to your cleaning needs effortlessly. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool. It's a revolution in compact cleaning power. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and discover why this handheld vacuum isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in cleaning efficiency. Elevate your cleaning routine, embrace versatility and power, and let the dustbuster AdvancedClean redefine the way you approach household cleanliness. It's time to make cleaning a joy, not a chore. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.